Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log into your OneDrive account using OneDrive desktop application. Now let us begin. As you can see, this right here is the application for Microsoft OneDrive. And right here is a button like this that says email address. Simply click on the text box below and enter your email address. Once you've entered it, simply hit on sign in. Once you have entered your email address, simply hit on next once this page opens up. Do you note that you can send optional data about OneDrive and Microsoft Office? Well, it's up to you. Select the choice that you wish. For now, I don't want to send optional data, so I'm simply gonna stay on this option and hit on accept. From here, it's gonna ask you to select your OneDrive folder location. It's okay with me, I don't want to change it. In case that you want to change it, simply hit on change location. If it's okay with you, simply hit on next. And guys, this is it. From here, you can back up your documents as well. Right now, I only want to back up my pictures. It's okay with me, so I'm simply gonna toggle on this button for pictures. Do you note that if you want to skip it, you can simply hit on I'll do it later. But right now, I'm simply gonna click on start backup. And guys, that's it. Simply follow along the prompts. I'm just gonna hit on next. Likewise, next once again. Next once again. And finally, hit on later. Do you note that you can get the mobile app from here as well? And guys, that's it. As you can see, I have logged into my OneDrive application. This is it, guys. This is how we log into your OneDrive application using your desktop app. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, to remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.